With 4 private acres, this stunning Lindal Cedar home in East Greenwich provides a functional and flexible floor plan ideal for any lifestyle. Beautifully integrated into the natural setting, you approach the entry and step into a double-height foyer. Steps lead up to the sun-drenched 2-story great room featuring a wall of glass and a custom brick fireplace. Exquisite architectural details and craftsmanship are found throughout the home, including solid wood-paneled walls and wood ceilings and floors. Segue into the updated granite kitchen and dining area. Ample counter space, cabinetry, and a hooded range please the inner chef. Glass doors provide walkout access to an expansive wraparound 2-tiered deck and tranquil yard space, letting you realize your ultimate vision for outdoor living. Return inside where a first-floor bedroom, full bath, and den or potential 4th bedroom allow for a luxurious 1-floor living. A greenhouse with a built-in utility sink, a laundry, and mudroom are the pleasing finishes to the main floor. The open modern staircase leads to the 2nd floor, boasting a cathedral-ceiling primary suite with French doors leading to a sun-filled sitting room showcasing views of the wooded grounds. A sizable dressing room is followed by a tiled ensuite bath with a dual sink vanity. An additional spacious bedroom concludes the 2nd floor. The home enjoys an oversized heated 2-car garage as well as an accessory dwelling above, perfect for a secluded home office. Central air conditioning and a whole house generator add final notes of comfort and peace of mind to this one-of-a-kind property. Goddard Memorial State Park is home to both walking and riding trails, as well as a beach, a farmer's market, and a golf course. Nearby Route 1 offers a variety of shopping and dining options, including the charming Main Street area in East Greenwich. A 20-minute jaunt to both Newport and Narragansett gives you a splendid taste of coastal living along the state's prized beaches. Providence is 25 minutes away for world-class restaurants, award-winning theaters, and the spectacle of water fire. For more information, please contact Sasha Mellor at area code 401-457-1367.